Good morning, children. Let us start with exercise question. In our previous video, I have given you some question for homework. I hope you must have solved them. Now, you may check your answers. I am going to give you answer over here. First question was true and false. First sentence, a balanced diet contains all the nutrients in adequate amount. Yes, it is correct sentence. Second one, anemia is communicable disease. It is wrong sentence. Anemia is not a communicable disease. Anemia is caused due to the lack of iron in our blood. So it is wrong sentence. Anemia is a deficiency disease. Next one, deficiency of minerals also causes diseases. Yes, this is correct sentence. Deficiency of so many minerals causes diseases like lack of iodine causes goiter. So it is correct sentence. Fourth sentence is malarial parasite are carried by female Anopheles mosquito. It is correct one because female Anopheles mosquito spread malaria. Fifth sentence is vaccination improve our immunity. It is correct sentence. Vaccination is given to improve our immunity to fight against some communicable diseases. So vaccination improve our immunity to fight the diseases. Next question was match the following. Minerals are helpful for strong bones and teeth. So option C. Second one, open drains. Open drains are the breeding place for mosquitoes. The mosquitoes are bred in open drains. Proper rest and sleep re-energize our body. And good posture. Good posture means the straight back while sitting and standing. Communicable disease, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is the example of communicable disease. It is spread from one person to another person. That's all about lesson number 2. Now, today I am going to give you some answers of lesson 1. So, first of all, write the heading, name of the lesson, life of the green world. Children, one word type question and answer I have already given you in previous video. So, you can note down. Today I am going to give you some short answer type question. So first of all, write the question. Answer the following question in short. First question is, name at least 5 rabi crops. Rabi crop means the crops which are sown in winter season and harvest in April. So 5 rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, barley, mustard. These are the 5 rabi crops which are sown in winter season. Now, next question, question number 2. What do farmers add to the soil to enrich it? Answer is, farmers add manure and fertilizer to the soil to enrich it. Manure and fertilizer increase the fertility of soil, and in this way it increase the production of the crop. So that farmers add manure and fertilizers to the soil to make it fertile. Next question is, name all the agriculture practices in sequence. So here answer, step of the agriculture practices are as follows. First practice is plugging, second sowing, Third one, manuring. Fourth one, irrigation. Fifth, spraying of insecticides and pesticides. Sixth, harvesting. And seventh and last step is storing of the seed. All these practices farmers following. Now move to the next question. Name 2 vegetables and fruits that are available in summer. Nowadays so many vegetables are available in summer also. Some of them you can write. The vegetables available in summer are green beans, cabbage. And the fruits which are available in summer are mango, watermelon, etc. Now, fifth question. Define seed germination. Seed germination means the process of development of baby plant from a seed is called germination of seed. When the seed is get changed into seedling, this process of changing of seed into seedling is called germination. Next question. What are the conditions required for germination of seed? Answer. The conditions which are required for the germination of seeds are air, moisture, suitable temperature and viable seeds. If the seeds are not healthy, then also germination will not get. So, for germination of seed, air, moisture, suitable temperature along with the viable seed is necessary. Now, children, take your time, pause video and correctly write the answers. Now, move to the another question, long answer type question. So, first of all, write the heading. Answer the following question in detail. First question is, draw a well-labeled diagram of a seed to show its various parts. Here structure of seed is shown. You nicely write the parts of the seeds. Here outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. The big fleshy part is called cotyledon or seed leaves, and in between the cotyledon the small baby plant is there. It is called baby plant or embryo. That embryo grow into small baby plant after germination. So these are the parts of the seed. Nicely draw the diagram. This is very important question. Now move to the next question. What are the functions of cotyledon? Function of cotyledon is to store the food and provide the stored food to the baby plant till it grow the first green leaves. Cotyledon store the food and provide the food to the growing baby plant till it grow the first green leaves. Next question is, differentiate between Kharif crop and Rabi crop with suitable example. Okay, answer is Kharif crop. Kharif crop means the crops that are sown in rainy season. That means in the month of June to September and harvested in winter. So such kind of crops are called Kharif crop. Example of the Kharif crops are rice, maize, cotton, bajra, etc. And here Rabi crop means Rabi crops that are sown in winter season. That means in the month of November and harvested in the month of April. Such crops are called Rabi crops. Example of the Rabi crop is wheat, gram, pea, barley. Okay, that's all for today, children. Have a good day.